In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use variables in Google Apps Script. To get started, open Google Apps Script from your Google Workspace document or spreadsheet. A simple way to do this is by opening the file you want to work with first, then going into the Apps Script Editor from the built-in menu. This connects your script to the document or sheet you'll be automating, which is helpful because it gives your code direct access to that file's content and structure. Once the script editor opens, you'll be ready to begin writing and organizing your automation. Inside the script editor, the next thing you want to do is declare your variable using either const or let. These are modern JavaScript keywords used to store information so your script can reuse it later. In general, const is a good choice when the value should stay the same, while let is better when the value may need to change as the script runs. Choosing the right one helps make your code easier to read and maintain, especially as your scripts become more advanced. After declaring the variable, assign a value to it or connect it to a document element. For example, your variable might store a piece of text, a number, or a reference to something inside your file, such as the active spreadsheet, a specific sheet, or a selected range. This is an important step because variables act like labels for information your script needs to remember. Giving clear, descriptive variable names will also make your code much easier to understand when you come back to it later. Once your variable has been created and assigned, call that variable by name inside the function you want to run. This is how your script actually uses the stored value or reference during execution. Instead of repeating the same information over and over, you can simply use the variable name wherever it's needed. That makes your code cleaner, more efficient, and less likely to contain mistakes. When everything is in place, click Save and then run to test your automated script. Saving first ensures your latest changes are stored, and running the script lets you confirm that the variable behaves the way you expect. If this is your first time running the project, you may be asked to review permissions so the script can access your document or spreadsheet. Once the script finishes successfully, you'll know your variable is working and your automation is ready for the next step.